This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part of our two-part video on wiring your car amplifier in simple steps. In this video, we'll cover the actual wiring process, including connecting the amplifier to your car's electrical system. Get ready to learn how to complete the wiring process and enhance your car's audio system. Connecting the amplifier. Connecting the power wire to the amplifier is a crucial step in setting up your car audio system. To begin, ensure the power wire is of the appropriate gauge to handle the amplifier's power requirements. Connect the power wire to the amplifier's power input terminal securely, using a crimp connector or soldering for a reliable connection that can handle the electrical load without overheating. Make sure the connection is tight and insulated to prevent any short circuits. Connecting the power wire to the amplifier. Start by identifying the power input terminal on your amplifier. Strip the end of the power wire to expose enough bare wire for a secure connection. Insert the stripped end into the power input terminal and crimp or solder it in place. Double-check the connection to ensure it is snug and secure. Once connected, cover the terminal and wire with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing for added protection. Establishing ground connection. Equally important is establishing a solid ground connection for your amplifier. Proper grounding ensures optimal performance and safety by providing a path for electrical current to flow and dissipate safely. To ground the amplifier, locate a suitable grounding point within your vehicle, typically a metal surface close to the amplifier location. Scrape away any paint or debris to expose bare metal and securely fasten the ground wire using a screw or bolt. Ensure the ground connection is tight to avoid any electrical issues. By following these steps to connect the power wire and establish a ground connection for your amplifier, you are laying the foundation for a reliable and high-quality audio setup in your car. Proper connections are key to ensuring the amplifier functions correctly and delivers the best sound experience while prioritizing safety and performance. Finalizing the wiring. After all the hard work of wiring your amplifier in your car, it's crucial to ensure that everything is set up correctly for optimal performance. This final step involves connecting the RCA cables and securely testing the wiring to guarantee that your sound system works flawlessly. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might also like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Connecting the RCA cables. When connecting the RCA cables, start by identifying the RCA output on your head unit. These are usually color-coded red and white for the right and left channels. Connect these cables to the corresponding RCA inputs on your amplifier, ensuring a snug fit. This step allows the audio signal to travel from the head unit to the amplifier without interference, ensuring clear sound output. Securing the wiring and testing. Securing the wiring neatly is essential to prevent any mishaps or interference while driving. Bundle the wires together using zip ties or cable organizers to keep them tidy and organized. Once all wires are neatly secured, it's time to test the amplifier. Power on your car's audio system and play some music to check if the amplifier is functioning correctly. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve the desired sound quality. Testing the amplifier before reassembling your car ensures that everything works smoothly and saves you from potential troubleshooting later on. By following these steps to connect the RCA cables and securely test the wiring, you'll be able to enjoy a well-functioning amplifier in your car, enhancing your driving experience with top-notch sound quality. Remember, attention to detail during the finalization process can make a significant difference in the performance of your car audio system. Conclusion. In conclusion, the key to a successful amplifier installation in your car audio system lies in following the wiring instructions diligently. Make sure to double-check your connections, secure all wiring properly, and test the system before finalizing the installation. Taking these steps will not only ensure optimal performance but also prevent any potential damage to your vehicle's electrical system. Remember, attention to detail is crucial when it comes to car audio installations. Happy wiring! As we conclude the second part of our two-part series on wiring your car amplifier in simple steps, we've covered the actual wiring process, including connecting the amplifier to your car's electrical system. Remember, following the proper wiring steps and ensuring a secure connection is crucial for a successful amplifier installation. Hope you enjoy a better listening experience with your enhanced car audio system. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.